Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make mini quesadillas. First, gather your ingredients: small tortillas, shredded cheese, and any desired fillings such as cooked chicken or black beans. Ensure your fillings are pre-cooked and chopped finely for even distribution. You'll also need a non-stick pan or griddle and a spatula for easy flipping. This simple preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Now, let's assemble these delicious bites. Lay a small tortilla flat and sprinkle about 1 tablespoon of shredded cheese on one half. Next, add a thin layer of your pre-cooked filling, like seasoned ground beef or finely diced peppers, over the cheese. Be careful not to overfill. Finally, fold the empty half of the tortilla over the filling, creating a neat half-moon shape. It's time to cook. Heat your non-stick pan over medium-low heat, adding a very light brush of oil or cooking spray. Place the folded mini quesadillas in the pan, being careful not to overcrowd it. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until the tortilla is golden brown and crispy, and the cheese inside is perfectly melted and gooey. This low heat prevents burning. Once cooked, carefully remove the mini quesadillas from the pan and place them on a cutting board. Allow them to cool for just a minute or two before handling. If your mini quesadillas are still a bit large, you can cut them into smaller, more manageable bite-sized triangles. Serve them warm with salsa, guacamole, or sour cream for a delightful snack or appetizer. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.